Hi, I'm Bev Hansen. I'm president of the Hernando Audubon Society. We're a chapter of the National Audubon Society, and we are all very concerned about enjoying the environment, but also protecting it. And so here in Hernando County, we meet from September through April. We usually have public meetings, but because of COVID, we've had to have Zoom meetings the last year. And we also sponsor many field trips of different kinds, mostly to look at birds, to help people identify birds. That's what we're doing here at Chinsegut Conservation Center today. We're having beginning birding, which we do once a month from fall to spring, and we are introducing people to the birds that they see in their backyards but may not know the names of, may not know who's calling. As well as today, we might also see some birds that are just migrating through, going from their southern wintering grounds to the northern breeding grounds. There are many birds that are resident here all year around. Things like cardinals and blue jays, different species of woodpeckers, a few warblers, and then many other birds come here just in the winter time to get away from the cold because they can find more food here. And so we have things like catbirds and thrushes, and more hawks come here that time of year. And then in spring, they start migrating north again to their breeding grounds, because there are suddenly a lot of insects coming out during the summertime where they can feed their chicks and raise sometimes several broods of chicks. Well, the very rarest bird that I have seen was one that is not ever supposed to be in the United States. It was called a hook-billed kite, and it was at Chaswitzka Wildlife Management Area about 2 years ago, after Hurricane Michael, I think it was, passed through the Gulf on its way to northern Florida, where people were devastated by the hurricane there. This bird had been picked up in the tropics, maybe in Yucatan, and it just happened to land in Chaswitzka, and it stayed there until the winds died, and then it probably headed back to where it had come from. The best way to join Hernando Audubon Society, or just find out what our activities are, is to go to our website at hernandooaudubon.org. We have a membership link there. We have a pamphlet that tells you where you can find birds in Hernando County, and we'll have a complete list of our meetings and our activities. We also have a listing on Facebook.